Hey guys, welcome to another tutorial of the solution journals. This time we go to how to unlink two Instagram accounts, and the first step is go to the Instagram app, and after that you need to go to the option of your settings and privacy and activity here in the superior right corner in the bottom of these three lines. And after that, you need to pick here in Account Center. So in Account Center, you need to go to, this is Iniciar sesión con dos cuentas. The option login with two accounts. You pick here, and you need to choose the option of choose which account can log into other account. You need to activate this option. I have activated that. If you are here in allow all accounts to log into each other, you need to pick here in choice which account can log into other accounts. So the only thing you need to do is choose the accounts, and you need to unlink every account one by one, and after that you can close the accounts one by one, and that's it. You complete the process. This is an easy process to do. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. Follow us for more content like this.